This is a luxury watch design inspired by Armani. Everything you see here was made in Figma. No templates, just clean layout, calm motion, and details. Before starting the layout, I prepared a simple design system. This helps keep everything consistent. I am using MacBook 16 Pro frame around its radius and will change its color to black. Now I'm creating navigation. I'm keeping it clean and minimal so it doesn't distract from the product. For typography, I'm using Helvetica Light. It keeps the design elegant and easy to read. I'm placing the Armani logo in the center of the navigation. This helps keep the layout balanced and focused. Adding main text to the design. For heading, I have used Playfair font, and for supporting text, I have used Helvetica Light font. The call to action is kept simple, it guides the user without demanding attention. Adding an ellipse and adding a soft blur helps create a depth in the background behind the watch. Now I'm adding the watch image. The product is always in the main focus. I'm creating three cards here. They'll help us smoothly switch between different designs during animation. Let's add price, clean and easy to notice. I am duplicating the frame to create another version. Here, I'm changing my background color, main text and price. A subtle stroke is added to highlight the selected card. I am adding a subtle line under the navigation to separate it from the content. I have also updated the price font to Helvetica Light for better consistency. I am adding a soft drop shadow to the cards. It helps separate it from the background. Repeat the same process for the next frame. First, select the text layers, then duplicate them and place the copies one below the other. Now, select all the text, use frame selection, move this text frame slightly upwards and turn on clip content. Next, add these text frames to main design frame. Now, go to second frame. Here, I'll remove the old text. Duplicate the new text frame and place inside the second frame. Finally, I'll select first text, then the second text. While holding shift, I'll move the text upwards to switch the content. Now repeat the same process for price text. Repeat the same process for watch, but only rotate second watch to 30 degrees and third watch to 60 degrees. In the end, in the third frame, rotate the second watch to minus 30 degrees and done. Let's add interaction to design. Trigger set it to on click. Smart animate with 1000 millisecond duration. Curve set it to custom brazier. Copy this code and apply to all the frame. And this is the final design. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.